Hello students, in last lecture we studied the electronic distance meter. In that we studied the various component parts and the classification of EDM, then basic principle of EDM and the application of EDM. Now we study the next instrument, that is the digital level. In that firstly we study the component parts of digital level. That is, the component parts of digital levels are telescope with the focusing knob. Then in this figure we see the various component parts of digital level. That is telescope with the focusing knob. Then horizontal tangent screw, graduated circle, foot screw. Then keyboard. Here this keyboard. Then display. Then window with a circular bubble. Then battery compartment, sight vent, reticle, then angle measuring system, height or distance measuring system. Now we study some salient features of the digital level. As we know, in the digital level there is a display window. Due to that, it used very easily or friendly. Then next, the measurement which can be measured with the help of digital level are having a very great accuracy or precision. In next feature is the automatic data storage eliminates the booking and its associated work. Then there is a time saving because the fast and economic survey can be carried out with the help of digital level, as the data on the storage medium of level can be downloaded to the computer, enables the quick data reduction of various purposes. Then next we study this total station. The total station means the EDM, that means electronic distance meter, and a digital theodolite built as a one unit, and this having a rechargeable battery which having a memory as a number of self-contained function, which includes the measurement of slope, distance, horizontal distance, vertical distance, then angle. That means the total station is used to measure the slope, then horizontal distance, vertical distance, and the angle. Now we see the various component parts of total station. It consists of optical plummet, then display, battery component, leveling tube, leveling screw, vertical clamp, telescope, and the horizontal clamp. Then next we study the applications of this total station, means where we use the total station. For updation of the map we use the total station. Then in topographic survey total station is used. In like that, in a hydrographic survey also we can use this total station. Then in cadastral survey, then project construction survey, then for the alignments of roadway, railway, we use this total station, and also it is also used in a mining survey. Now we study the advantages and disadvantages of this total station. Firstly, we study the advantages of total station. There is a quick setting of the instrument on a tripod due to the laser plummet. Then greater accuracy can be obtained in a total station. There is a job fill are finished, then it reduces the time. So it measures the distance up to 3 km to the 5 km. Then there are some disadvantages, like instrument is costly. Then conduction of the survey using this total station, or for conduction of the survey by using this total station, skilled person or skilled surveyor is required. Then for overall check for survey, it is necessary to return to the office and prepare a drawing using a appropriate software, due to which there is a time consuming.